Oh yeah! Here we go. This is the 8th video in our giveaway this round. This case is hot. I'm not sure that it's as rare as our last video, the Cool Classics. That case is insanely rare now, but this one's getting hard to find, and one of the cars in this particular case is super hard to find right now. But before we open it, I just want to go over one more time what we're going to draw next September 14th, next Saturday. We got 2 sets of Retro Forza. We got 2 Gran Turismos. We got 2 sets of Car Culture L Case. We've got 3 sets of Gran Turismo 2. We've got the Super Treasure Hunt Porsche. We've got 2 Zamac 8-car sets. We've got 3 Cool Classic sets. We've got whatever's in this. At least 17 winners next Saturday, the 14th. Are you guys going to win? I hope you do. This has been a blast opening these cases, seeing what's in them, rediscovering them, showing them to you. So, without further ado, this right here is Car Culture B case. This is B from, it's almost 2 years old now, I believe. And this one never really showed up around me for what the collectors told me, but we're going to open it up. Here we go. This is Car Culture B case. I'm going to do a quick top down on it. I don't know if you guys remember this or saw this, but this was the hard to find cargo. Super hard to find. Check that out. Oh man, there's some good stuff in this, guys. So we're gonna go 2 by 2 like we normally do. There's gonna be at least 2 winners from this case. I can't remember exactly how it was packed. I feel like it was funky. The first 2 cars in the case, and again, smoking hot card backs. Thank you, Julian, for making Car Culture card backs insane. But here's the Honda Odyssey. This was one of my buddy's favorite cars, believe it or not. He thought this was super cool. I can't remember what it says here in the back windshield. Can't see it. Bismotto. Okay, so there was 2 of the Honda Odysseys in this case. I love the wheels that the Honda Odysseys rolling on. I'm assuming you guys can see the wheels, but those wheels are smoking. Okay, the next 2 cars in the case are one of my favorite models that came out last year. This is the Nissan SKYLINE wagon, the C10 SKYLINE wagon. They were also packed 2 per case. Look at that card back. That car is just unbelievable. Skylines are obviously just blazing just because of what it is, but this wagon really starting to dry up lately. This wagon's getting hard to find, and I actually have one of these in my case because I love it personally, but again, everybody can like what they like. The next car, that's 2 per case, is the incredible Volkswagen T1 panel bus with the Moon Eyes logo. Check this out. That's just super cool. Love the flames, love the moon eyes, love that it's big. My youngest actually carried this around for like 6 weeks after it came out because this was his favorite. He loves the moon eyes Volkswagen panel. It says, go with the moon on the back. Okay. The next 2 cars in the case, includes one of the incredibly hard cars to find because it was only packed one per case. We'll get to that in a second. This is the Golf Ford Transit Supervan. It's got the orange rims on it, Golf on the back, orange stripes down it. Super cool. Okay, but this one was packed 3 per case, as the last 2 cars in the case are both the Golf Transit. And then we're going to go back to this right here. This right here is the Volkswagen Sunnigan. I can't remember exactly why they did this 1 per case, but good luck finding one of these things. Whew. Only 1 per case means only 1 set can be made per case. That's just, that kind of can put people into a bind trying to find it, because it's super rare. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to give both of these away. The one with the Sunnigan, we're going to do this one right here to a subscriber. And then this one right here, we're going to do to a commenter. You're going to get 2 of the Ford Transit fans, but I don't know how else to do it. There you go, guys. Thanks for joining us. Tune in on September 14th. We're going to have some fun giving this stuff away. Thank you.